Yo, what's up? My name is Marwa. Today is super special. I'm coming from this track here. Today is a super Sunday here, and I'm gonna be showing you how we spend a super Sunday in my village. Generally, everybody in my village. We're taking this down there. Please ensure you subscribe to the channel. Hit that like button to support your boy. I am Marwa. As you know, I'm in the village constructing my dream villa or house, and let me show you the activities of the day here. Yes, actually half a day, you know.
Anywhere you go, you belong. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
Yo, what's up people? Today is very special. Actually, it's on a Sunday here in the village, so we were trying to organize a lot of things happening right now, a behalf of activities. So here we have my sister.
Hey guys, hope you're fine. My
Yes.
name is Dee Mwango. I'm also a digital content creator. I am
Yes.
Mara's sister.
Yes.
So welcome to our village today, our home.
All I need is you, baby.
Yeah.
So I woke up so early.
Yeah.
My clothes were dirty as you see, and
Yes.
I'm not yet done.
Yes.
So we're doing some washing, a lot of activities going on.
And also we have my brother here. Hey, introduce yourself.
Yo, what's up people? This is David Jr. I'm
Yeah.
a YouTube digital content creator. You can check me out
Yeah, check you out where?
on YouTube.
What's your
That's
name?
David Jr.
Yes, at David Jr. So what is this? What are you doing actually?
I'm trying to wash these fruits.
Yeah,
we
what's
call
the-
them zambarao.
Sambarao.
in
Yeah.
Swahili. Let us get to know how you call
Call
them in your native
language.
language.
Actually, I don't know their English name. You know English name?
No.
Hey guys, do you know some English name to this? We call them zambaraos here. Look, they are very sweet, and all we know is they add blood to the body. You see, they are very nice, guys. I wish you guys could be here. We could share to you. Yeah, and actually here in the villages, they are found in trees, sometimes even in forests. Yes, and they are very sweet. I met some young boys with like this, maybe like 6 times, and there were only 3 young boys. So they sold this to me $50. Yes, $50 for all this. Actually, I gave others to the masons at the construction site. This is like 30 shillings. That is $0.3, like a $0.25. Yes, and you see how they are. Very nice. Let me bust one so that you guys can see how it looks like. Yes, it has a seed. You see. We call them zambaraos. I don't know how you guys call them in your native language. Please, especially even in English, I don't know how you call them in English. Yeah, but people believe if you eat them a lot, they help you into gaining a lot of blood. Yes,
But
in
when
your
you were
body.
young, you could at times, just go to people's
Home,
shamba
yes.
farms, get them for free, eat and go back to school.
Yeah. So today, this is a family of YouTubers. So, hey, it's really amazing, like to be around like me. I'm at home, and my sis D and Devi, and we're all here. Yes. So, I don't know. Hey, you have something to say? Like, what do you think? Like us being a family of YouTubers?
Actually, to be honest, I
Yeah.
didn't see this coming.
Yeah, come so that you can't. Yeah.
I didn't see this coming. Let me do away with the seed.
Yes.
I didn't see this coming. Like I didn't know.
Yes.
At some point, all of us in our family could be digital content creators.
Yes.
And what you can say is thank you so much for your support. You're really humbled for supporting us. And maybe our mom can join the league soon.
Oh yeah. I saw one comment, but this was
Not
kind of
one, several.
several comments. People
Yeah,
saying
ask me, D, your mom should also have a YouTube channel.
yeah. So even I saw one guy saying we should open a YouTube channel for our donkey. So that's when the donkey is right there. Yes, it's right there. Today is a busy day here in the village. Very busy. You can hear some big machine moving around. Yeah, I'll show you. That's a huge truck bringing me some ballast.
Apart from that, we also have some work going on.
Today is like it's crazy. Yes.
maybe she'll show you what's going on. So
Yeah.
when we are at home, like 3 of us, we
Yeah.
always try to like, change our
Yeah,
home, make
improve.
things look better.
Yeah, yeah.
Everybody's contributing. Mama
Yes.
is doing this, I'm doing this, David's
Devi,
doing that. So
yes.
it's joint work.
So like here you see we have some cement.
Yeah.
Yes, and the thing is we are trying to create, let me show you guys. So these are bags of maize here. Here in Africa we farm and harvest. Oh,
Wow.
here, see? Just laid some eggs. Yeah, like things here are so like natural. And let me say hello to the guy with the ballast, so he knows that I'm with him.
All right.
They brought me some ballast here. You see, big machine. Let me show you. This is not our car, guys. Please don't say, hey Marwa, you bought a car, you didn't show us. This is not our car. But hiya tata. Let me talk to my friend here. Mkubwa, fika wenda kuja tata. Ulikuja na vijana kweli? Sawa, wewe shuka tu. Yeah, they're bringing ballast here. Oh man. Building the nation like crazy. Yes, building the nation, you know. So actually that it's carrying close to a lot of tons of ballast. Anyway, what we're trying to say is when we are home here, we always try to improve things, you know. Actually, when people say building the nation, literally for us, we see it on our daily basis. Hey D, come and show us then what's going on here. Maybe when we could start from this side. Yeah, David Jr. also come, so you're not left behind. Yes. So here they are mixing some cement, right? And sand. So this cement will be used in creating. We are still constructing this house. So today we're gonna be putting some tiles here.
Yes.
So this is what they are doing. You see, we have some masons already. Already they are already fixing. You see.
Yeah.
Hey, Semeni, hello, man.
Hi.
Yeah.
Hi.
Yeah. See, they're already putting tiles. Yes. The thing was, why did this place delay?
It's because the tiles which Mara bought, like the tiles which you see in this beautiful house, it's Mara who bought them. But now they could not be fixed here because they're slippery and they're not safe for the stairs.
Yes.
So we needed like a rough.
Specific one.
Yeah. So it took us time, but God's timing is the best. It's now time to fix them.
Oh, my mom actually just cooked some chapatis here. Show people what these are. Yeah, guys, we always bring you to a...
My hands are clean, so don't be like, D, your hands, man.
Yeah. These are called chapatis.
Yeah, and this is how they look. When mom is around,
She cooks them.
but D Mongo is very
Yeah.
poor in cooking this. I don't like cooking so much. So this is chapati.
This is chapatis.
Yeah.
Actually, we used to only eat these chapatis during Christmas time.
And
Yeah.
we could eat around, hide some of them for tomorrow.
Yeah. And even we could show other children. Like, it's so prestigious to eat chapatis. Those days, it was like super prestigious. Yes, and this is tea. So in Kenya, mostly people drink tea like this because they believe somehow, because of the colony, British colony, people always drink, mostly is tea and bread. Yes, most of
But in the villages, people don't take tea, they take porridge.
We have some porridge, we could show them.
Maybe mom is preparing.
Let's go
and
to
check.
the kitchen. Yeah, we didn't prepare this, we're just going the way it is. Okay, so, and also we have a new member in the family, okay? We're gonna show you, we have a new member here.
With dogs.
Yeah. Yo, what's up, girl? She's a girl, actually. Say hello. Say hello. Yeah, say hello. Whoa. I have to clean this camera. It's clean. Yo, say hello. Come on, bro. Yeah, it's actually a girl. Yo, say hello to the camera. Okay? What's your name?
Nene.
Yeah. That's our new member in the family, actually. So let's go in the kitchen and see what our mom is preparing. Hey, mom.
Welcome to our village kitchen.
Yes, welcome to our village kitchen. Look what mom is doing, mom.
Hello, guys.
Yes. Are
I'm
you
busy doing something for breakfast.
Yeah, mom, what's happening, mom? My mom has been feeling unwell for a while now. because of
Yeah.
malaria.
Yeah.
But I think you're getting better, ma.
Yes.
Yes. But my mom is that tough lady, like, even if she's sick, she doesn't say, come do. She doesn't complain.
Yes.
She's always doing on her own. So she's preparing those chapatis, you see.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's dao.
Dao. This is called dao?
This now.
Oh, this is dao.
Yeah.
Okay. See, like right there, mom.
She's
boo.
cooking alone.
Yeah, she's alone.
Multitasking.
Yeah, she never complains. We love you, mom.
Yeah, thank you.
So this is how we cook using firewood. Yes, but you know, in future we shall bring her.
Sure.
Okay. Yes. That's mom right there.
Show the fire.
Yeah, right there you see. So
In the future, we shall improve.
we shall improve in the future.
Yes.
Every day we change this family. We transform it step by step. Yes. So these are the chapatis mom has cooked. Mom, you can open them for people to see how they look like. Yes. So this is a super Sunday. Yes. Wow, they look so nice, mom. Wow. Yes, thank you, mom. Yes. Tell people congratulations, mom.
Congratulations, guys.
Yes.
Thank you.
My mom is always supporting us. Very nice. Like, and also we always feel blessed. Like she's around to see the progress we do as kids, as her offspring. I think, mom, you're so proud about us, ma.
Yeah, I'm very proud.
What makes you super proud, ma?
No, the way you are working.
Yes.
You are so much hard working.
Yeah.
So continue like that. Also outside there, they can also work hard and they can achieve their dreams.
Yes, like
Yes.
everybody out there. Man, if you're out there, you've never like thought of achieving anything, or you always see yourself like, we were like really, really bad, man. Like, I mean, poor, like poor the way. 21. So these travel vloggers, these YouTubers you see on the internet, I am Maron D. Mwango. This used to be home, man. Yes, it used to be home. Our cows and goats used to sleep here. You see, this used to be our kitchen right here. Oh, it's closed?
I think I should open.
Okay, let my brother open it for you. This used to be our main room. This used to be my sister's D. Mwango's room. This one here. Yeah, and we used to get our water from here. But every day we improve, every day. Our donkey. Hear that? Hey, let's go see the donkey, what's happening. You have some water to take for it, or we don't have?
Right now, it's not the good time,
Yeah,
but maybe later in the evening.
yes.
Yeah.
So we need to change it, like it's been so busy. Hey, Daktari. Habari? Yeah, we are shooting some videos, Jali. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, we call him Daktari. He's our doctor here. Okay. Yeah, so there's a donkey right here. Toto namna gani? Yes, so this is our donkey. We really love this donkey. It's a member of our family. Toto, wacha nipe camera tuan. Hey, Toto. Yeah, it's a very good member of the family, and we always like appreciate having it. Daudi ndio kamba, that rope, we need to fix it. Yes, like it's a very, very nice member of the family. It's part of the family. When it cries like that, we have to come and check it. Yeah.
Anywhere you go, you belong. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
Actually, one thing you should understand is for us, Sunday is a busy, busy day because it's the last day that my mom is always at home. She only comes here on the weekends, okay? And every Sunday she goes back to school, and we expect her to be here on Saturday or either Friday evening after she finishes her work at school. So for us, we call it Super Sunday in Africa. Super Sunday simply means just as trying to fix everything and organizing stuff for the next week. But technically what we do here is just come together as a family. That moment we appreciate each other, we appreciate our presence and say, you know, we are very grateful to have each other around, you know, because a guy like me, sometimes I disappear from here and I go like for years without coming home and just working and filming. Please ensure you subscribe to the channel, follow your boy Amaro on Instagram right there, you know. This is our chicken here. Life is easy, man, in the village. One thing I love about the village is it's calm. Just feel like right now, like if I stop talking, just feel what you'll feel. That's how the village is cool. And actually, it kind of meditates your mind. It drops your mind from chaotic cities to some place where you're like, man, this is so nice. So actually today being Sunday, I brought some bags of cement. This you see here. This is like the best cement. It's called nguvu. Yes. Actually nguvu in Swahili means energy. So we're taking these bags of cement. There are 50 of them. Yes, we're taking them down. Okay, in the construction site. Because probably tomorrow or a day after I may not be around. So I have to organize everything and ensure everything is smart. The thing is, on Sundays when we plan everything for the next week. So like this one here, we are preparing for the next week, okay? Ready for the next week. It's just amazing. Yes, it's amazing and it's a blessing, actually. So that one right there, just finished pouring some ballast. Now we have the small one coming with cement. It's a super Sunday here. Yes, just amazing, man. Building Africa. Make sure you build your home, man, you know. So guys, this will be the end of the video. We want to say thank you so much. Hey, YouTube family, come here. Yes. Yeah, say goodbye to the, or say something.
Guys, thank you so much for supporting us. We really appreciate. Let us get to know in the comment section down below the type of videos we'd like to see from the village.
Yeah.
And
how many clothes have you washed so far?
Guys, since I woke up at 8, like
Yeah,
I started washing
you should
at
show
8.
them this cloth here. It's very unique. It's very unique.
Yes.
Yeah, I don't know where mine went to, you know.
You gave it to David. I saw it, David putting it on someday.
Oh, mine.
Yes.
Whoa.
Mwango brand.
Mwango brand. Yeah, this is a YouTube family. So please go support my younger sister, Mwango.
Yeah.
And also give yourself a shout out.
You can check me out on YouTube at Davy Jr.
Yes.
Yeah.
We also have Instagrams. Same names actually. Go follow us right there. And from the village, you're going to say kwaheri.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Yeah.
All I need is you, baby, baby. Hola.
How much do I need to party here in Jamaica? Marwa.
My name is
We are in Hawaii.
We're at
yeah.
the Griffith Observatory in Los Angeles.
So I'm officially saying goodbye to Japan. As you see here, welcome to Japan. ¿Eres, Elisa?
Soy de España.
I'm heading to